After harvesting, clean out the old roots thoroughly to prepare for the next crop with no need to replace the soil. Mix in small amount of Trichoderma fungus and stir it evenly to help improve the soil and suppress harmful pathogens. Mix a small amount of sand with the seeds to help distribute them more evenly when sowing. Water lightly once a day, either in the early morning or in the late afternoon when it's cooler. After 7 days, the seeds have sprouted into uniform seedlings and they look very even and healthy. Look how much these seedlings have grown in just 14 days. After 20 days, the vegetable pods are strong and healthy, and they look very beautiful and pleasing to the eye. Mix fish fertilizer with water and apply once to help your vegetables grow greener and healthier. What's your favorite organic fertilizer? Let me know in the comments below. After 7 days, the vegetable plants look greener and more tender. The garden is enjoying a refreshing rain shower. Enjoying the garden progress? Like and subscribe for more updates.